Today we're going to do a redo of Poor Man's Lobster. I made a few minor changes that I think you're going to like. Poor Man's Lobster, basically you're taking a whitefish like cod and you're making it so it tastes like lobster. If I were to blindfold you and put it in your mouth, you'd go, wow, that's lobster. We're doing Poor Man's Lobster next, so stick around. Well, you can't have great Poor Man's Lobster unless you have good clarified butter. So that's where we're going to start. I got just under 2 sticks of butter that I'm melting down. And once I get it melted down, I'm going to use some cheesecloth, put it over a glass measuring cup. And we're just going to pour that butter right through that cheesecloth. That'll collect all the fat and leave us with beautiful clarified butter. We'll set that to a side until we're ready for it. Now I've got 3 cod fillets. I'm going to cut up into bite-sized pieces. There we go. And while I'm doing that, if you could please remember to like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment if you can. It helps the algorithm tremendously. And make sure you hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put a new one out every Wednesday and Sunday. We're going to bring our water to a boil. We're going to put in 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of salt. And we're just going to let that cook for a few. Give it a nice stir. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. There we go. Now we're going to add our cod right into this hot water. Just like this. And when that fish comes up to the top, it is done. So we'll let it sit and cook, and it floats to the top. We'll get our little strainer, scoop it out, strain it off, and put it on a plate. And next we're just going to plate this up. We're going to put our fish into a little boat. Once I have all the fish in the boat, we're just going to top it off with a little bit of paprika just for color. And then we'll fill our ramekin with our clarified butter. And I'm telling you, if you were blindfolded, you would think you're eating lobster at a fraction of the cost. Give this amazing recipe a try. I think you're going to really like it. It's a great way to change up cod, that's for sure. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.